Somebody by Kings of Leon. This works great for acoustic or electric guitar, and the bulk of the song just uses 4 basic open chords. We will also show you the solo, and we've also got another section but some cool embellishments on this one. Perfect for beginners and intermediates alike. Learn a great song, grab your guitar and come join me. So the 4 chords that make up the bulk of this song are C major, C over E, which just means we have string 6 ring out in a C chord. So this is C major over the root note, which is an E. And then really any way you're comfortable playing an F chord, but I highly recommend this way of playing an F. The easiest version would be an F major 7 like this, and that is just like a C major but with fingers 2 and 3 moved down by 1 string. But if we keep the 3rd finger where it is on a C chord and put the little finger underneath it, we're basically doing the same with fingers 2, 3 and 4 as we do with an F bar chord, but without having to bar. Really cool option for this song because we're going to be going between this F chord and a C a lot. The other chord in the song is an A minor, and those are the 4 chords we need to be able to just do the bulk of this song. Strumming pattern: down, down, up, down. From the C chord, C major for a bar, C over E, and then F for 2 bars. All of that happens twice. Whoa, whoa. And then we have A minor, C major to the F. That happens again. A minor, C major, F major 7. And that gets us all through the intro, the verses, and the chorus. With that strumming pattern, here's what that sounds like. Join in with me or repeat this a couple of times if you need. 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down. So we're on that second chord progression now. A minor, C major, F. When we do this, old favourite strumming pattern, down, down, up, down, keep the down strums on the thicker strings and the up strums on the thinner strings. And that can transform this pattern from sounding like that to like this.
If you enjoy this video, why not check out the full range of courses available at andyguitar.co.uk. From total beginner to advanced, acoustic and electric guitar, we have structured lessons, exclusive song tutorials not available on YouTube, regular live lessons so you can get all the feedback you need. Try all of this for free with a 10-day free trial. The link to that is in the description. Let's get back to the video.
So let's play this together. Join in with me. I'm going to sing it a little bit, just give you some prompts, and then we'll look at the solo and the other sections of this song. From the C chord, we're going to go straight into a verse. In what I've been roaming around, always looking down at all I see. Let me count this now. So we have down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. And then we go for the A minor. You know that I could use somebody. And then F, same as that again. You know that I could use somebody. C major and F, and all of that happens again. From C, someone like C major, thickest string rings out, and F. Same as that again. Countless lovers under cover of the street. A minor now. You know that I could use somebody. That again. You know that I could use somebody. from the top, the C major chord, and we're in the chorus. Someone like you. Oh, oh, oh. Someone like you. Oh, oh. A minor. Somebody. Someone like you. End on C. And then we've just got one more section if you choose to play along to the original recording where we kind of change key to D major. So this is for the Go Let It Out section just before the main solo, and we have a D major chord to an F sharp minor chord. Now this is an intermediate level chord, 2nd fret, root 6 bar chord, like an E minor chord, slid up by 2 frets. If that's a struggle for you, just do D major over F sharp, so pressing down that 2nd fret with the thumb. Or if even that's too much of a struggle for you, just stay on a D major chord for all that section. And it's down, down, up, down, strumming still. Repeat that if you're on the easy version. Intermediate version. Go let it out, go let it out, go let it out, go let it out. And then we return to C major. Here's a solo section in case you want to learn it. Tricky on acoustic, but it can be done. And it's all based around a C major bar chord, but kind of just the triad. Just these 3 notes. That is the 9th fret, 8th fret to 10th fret. So 9, 9, 9, 8, 8, 8, 8, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 a string down, bend up or slide to 10 again, to 7, and we just repeat that. And then for the ending, it's simply repeating the first chord progression again, but super quiet. And finish on that F. That's how to play Use Somebody. I've also done tutorials for Kings of Leon songs, Sex on Fire, and also Molly's Chambers. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. You can find more similar tutorials on the screen now, as well as a link to my Access All Areas membership. We're doing live streams every week, loads of exclusive courses, song tutorials, and all the help you'll need with playing beginner songs all the way up to advanced on electric and acoustic guitar.